Triple your package. Get exclusive commercial license. Plus extra content. Currently you own the personal use license only. But, with the commercial license, you also have the opportunity to create amazing videos for your clients and keep 100% of the sales you make. Regular price is $47 only at $37. Buy your discounted copy today. Visual Studio Platinum, extra discount. Why you need to upgrade to the Visual Studio Platinum? Massive more contents to choose from. Grab another huge unique collection video and graphic PowerPoint templates for your project of more than 400 slide templates. Yes, big double your package in various niches. This surely will help you to create even more spectacular high-quality ads and marketing contents. Make lots of money by using the contents. With the upgrade you will receive developer rights license in the Platinum version, allowing you to use these contents in your customer's project and make unlimited profits by selling the completed project to them, so you can easily charge anywhere between $20 minus $100 per design you make for a client. More template and graphic, more variety and more profits. Local business are willing to pay thousands of dollars for graphic design for one business, especially for full-colored styles. This is how much money you need to spend for one single video template with developer commercial license. See preview of Visual Studio Platinum below. Module 1. Promotion Video Templates. Promotion Video 1. Promotion Video 2. Promotion Video 3. Promotion Video 4. Promotion Video 5. Promotion Video 6. Promotion Video 7. Promotion Video 8. Promotion Video 9. Promotion Video 10. Promotion Video 11. Promotion Video 12. Promotion Video 13. Promotion Video 14. Module 2. Thank you Video Templates. Thank you Video 1. Thank you Video 2. Thank you Video 3. Thank you Video 4. Thank you Video 5. Thank you Video 6. Thank you Video 7. Thank you Video 8. Thank you Video 9. Thank you Video 10. Thank you Video 11. Thank you Video 12. Module 3. Invitation Video Templates. Invitation Video 1. Invitation Video 2. Invitation Video 3. Invitation Video 4. Invitation Video 5. Invitation Video 6. Invitation Video 7. Invitation Video 8. Invitation Video 9. Invitation Video 10. Invitation Video 11. Invitation Video 12. Module 4. Transition Video Template. Transition Video 1. Transition Video 2. Transition Video 3. Transition Video 4. Transition Video 5. Transition Video 6. Transition Video 7. Transition Video 8. Transition Video 9. Transition Video 10. Transition Video 11. Transition Video 12. Transition Video 13. Transition Video 14. Transition Video 15. Transition Video 16. Transition Video 17. Transition Video 18. Transition Video 19. Transition Video 20. Title Video Templates. Title Video 1. Title Video 2. Title Video 3. Title Video 4. Title Video 5. Title Video 6. Title Video 7. Title Video 8. Title Video 9. Title Video 10. Title Video 11. Title Video 12. Title Video 13. Module 7. Story Video Templates. Story Video 1. Story Video 2. Story Video 3. Story Video 4. Story Video 5. Story Video 6. Story Video 7. Story Video 8. Story Video 9. Story Video 10. Story Video 11. Story Video 12. Module 8. Subscribe Video Templates. Module 9. Presentation Template. Presentation Video 1. Presentation Video 2. Presentation Video 3. Presentation Video 4. Presentation Video 5. Presentation Video 6. Module 10. Scenery Video. Animated Background, City 1. Animated Background, City 2. Animated Background, City 3. Animated Background, City 4. Animated Background, City 5. Animated Background, City 6. Animated Background, City 7. Animated Background, City 8. Animated Background, City 9. Animated Background, City 10. Animated Background, City 11. Animated Background, City 12. Animated Background, City 13. Animated Background, City 14. Animated Background, City 15. Animated Background, City 16. Animated Background, City 17. Module 11. Flash Sale Video Template. Animated Background, Horror 1. Animated Background, Horror 2. Animated Background, Horror 3. Animated Background, Horror 4. Animated Background, Horror 5. Animated Background, Horror 6. Animated Background, Horror 7. Animated Background, Horror 8. Animated Background, Horror 9. Animated Background, Horror 10. Animated Background, Horror 11. Animated Background, Horror 12. Animated Background, Horror 13. Animated Background, Horror 14. Animated Background, Horror 15. Animated Background, Horror 16. Animated Background, Horror 17. Animated Background, Horror 18. Animated Background, Horror 19. Animated Background, Horror 20. Animated Background, Horror 21. Animated Background, Horror 22. Animated Background, Horror 23. Animated Background, Horror 24. Animated Background, Horror 25. Animated Background, Horror 26. Module 12. Nature Template. Animated Background, Nature 1. Animated Background, Nature 2. Animated Background, Nature 3. Animated Background, Nature 4. Animated Background, Nature 5. Animated Background, Nature 6. Animated Background, Nature 7. Animated Background, Nature 8. Animated Background, Nature 9. Animated Background, Nature 10. Animated Background, Nature 11. Animated Background, Nature 12. Animated Background, Nature 13. Animated Background, Nature 14. Animated Background, Nature 15. Animated Background, Nature 16. Animated Background, Nature 17. Limited time offer. If you leave this page now, you will never get to see this offer again. Secure your special price for only $97, $67, $47. Visual Studio Platinum, extra discount. 30-day money-back guarantee. If you have any technical issues while using the advertised Genius and we fail to help you resolve the issue, we'll give your money back. Our money-back guarantee applies to technical issues only. Other than that, all sales are final. We do not offer a no questions asked refund. You will need to provide a valid reason for requesting one. Our team has a 99% proven record of solving customer problems and helping them through any issues they have, so you're extremely safe and your purchase is protected. Frequently asked question: what is Video Kedavra Next Level? Professional design of PowerPoint video templates. It's not a software, plugin or WordPress theme. How do I edit it? You need PowerPoint to edit Video Kedavra Next Level. What is my license? You'll get personal license, and you can use it on unlimited projects you own. You're allowed to use it for unlimited use on your web video project. Resell in any way. Can't use for giveaway bonus. If you want to get the commercial developer license for Video Kedavra Next Level, you have to purchase the upsell of Video Kedavra Next Level. Do you provide training on the use it? Yes. You will find HD tutorial for use in our fully featured members area. We show you exactly how to use Video Kedavra Next Level. And we have group private only for members, and you can learn and discuss there. Support and information. Email, balajarandesign@gmail.com. I have purchased a graphic resource from your shop. Can I hire you to customize it? Yes, we can help you customize your purchase graphics at a reasonable price depending on your needs. You can send your customization request from the Contact Us page. What is your refund policy? You should pay attention to our requirements. We do the refund if there is an issue with the product and our technical support can't solve it for you. We will provide a refund for you within 30 days of your purchase. Product usage post-refund. By receiving a refund, you agree to remove all files downloaded from our website, and all rights to use the product will be revoked. We reserve the right to decline a refund if the client does not adhere to these conditions. Refund process. Send your query to support. Do not dispute via PayPal. All refund is processing by JVZoo. Refund policy. Our refund policy only applies to the first time you purchase our product. Second-time purchases will not be permitted the same rights to refund. We understand that sometimes the timing may not be right when you purchase our product and you may return to purchase later, but please be aware second purchase refund requests will not be permitted. This is to protect our product and ourselves from individuals who may take advantage of our refund policy. Duplicate purchase. In the event of a billing error or duplicate billing, we will investigate the matter and issue a full refund if deemed necessary. All trademarks and logos are the property of their respective owners. This site and the products and services offered on this site are not associated, affiliated, endorsed, or are sponsored by any business listed on this page, nor have they been reviewed, tested, or certified by any other company listed on this page.